Hey guys, so I just got off work. I'm in the car. The lighting is weird because it's after 5. I'm heading home and I think I'm gonna take Chloe to the park to go for a walk because it's nice and it's not super hot today. It's been pretty hot lately. Sorry, the lighting is so weird. So I think I'm gonna go do that and I'll probably take you guys along and show you where we're at and stuff. So I'll see you then. Hey guys, so we're at the park now and the lighting just keeps getting weirder every new location I'm at. I got Chloe in the back. Hi Chloe. Are we at the park? You wanna go for a walk? Do you wanna go for a walk? Yeah? She's gonna start whining here in a second. But there's a vehicle parked where I normally park here by the path that we were gonna walk on, so we might have to take a different way, and hopefully that dog is on a leash if they have a dog, which I'm assuming they do if they're over there. So we're just gonna get out and walk around, and I guess I'll show you around. There's not really much to see. It's like Chloe, softball, baseball fields. There's a little trail thing by a dike, if you know what a dike is. It's like a slough. There's grass next to it. You can see the hill over here. We might have to walk behind the baseball, softball fields because the trail is over there and there's a, I don't know if there's a car over there. So we might not be able to go that way, but we're gonna go walk around now because she's crying about it. Had to get her to calm down. First got out of the car and she was pulling so hard she was hacking and wheezing. Oh, peeing on stuff. Sweet. And then, of course, get a baggie like immediately. Where are we going? This is a slough. I don't know what you call it where you're from, but just kind of like mucky water. And we're walking next to it. There's all kinds of birds flying around. Not really sure what bird that was. Are you fine, Chloe? Can hear all of the birds. Where are you going? Are you gonna keep going this way? She gets so excited to go for a walk. Hey, let's go this way. Let's turn around. You wanna go this way? Come on. This way? Come on. Let's go. So she pulls on her harness. It's all worked up. I didn't see anybody over there. You can see the car down there. I don't see those ripples. I thought I heard a fish jump, but a duck flew up out of the water. Okay. Grass over here is pretty tall. Chloe, what you doing? She's a little hunter. She's always sniffing down something. Looks pretty out here. I mean, on camera it looks prettier than it actually is. She really wants to walk right next to the tall grass. So I thought you could, this sunlight is doing weird things. I thought you could switch from one camera to the other in the middle of video. What happens if I click on it? Nothing happens. Well, this is the tree A that I like product shots because of the shade over there. I mean, it moves really as the sun moves. I don't know what Chloe's doing. But for like my Etsy shop and stuff, I come out here and use the shade because it's really nice. And then with a blurry background, I face it this way, so that stuff is in the background, but it's blurry, so it just mostly looks like pretty hill and blue sky, which is cool. My hair is looking interesting. The sky is blue and pretty right now. Ooh, 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 the light. There's Chloe. It's really hard to, excuse me, do this while walking without feeling like really weird. But I don't think anybody else is out here. We're just walking. So exciting. Might have to find some like fun walking music or something to play with this. Where are we, Chloe? It'd be really helpful if I could turn this camera around. Oh, there's another duck leaving. This says, keep out. Is it really backwards? Is it gonna be backwards? Now, this lighting, ooh. So we're gonna walk back to the car, which is down there. The wind is making my hair crazy. And we'll probably go home. And I need to edit the like sit down chit chat in car vlog that I filmed the other day. I keep looking at the screen. But I need to finish editing that and then put it up. Can't decide if I want to do, can you get out of there? Oh, little jungle dog. I can't decide if I want to do my vlogs on my vlog channel, which I haven't posted anything on yet. She's jumping through the grass. Or if I should just post them on my regular channel for right now, because I don't have anything else to post there. So I'm still trying to figure out how to do videos over there. So we're just gonna walk our booties back to the car and go home and figure out what to do next, I guess. So we'll see you later. She's looking for grass to eat right now. Sometimes she makes a sound that sounds kind of like mooing. And she loves eating grass. So I refer to her as my little cow. And I was wondering if I should get her a sheep friend. They could just eat all of the grass together. Hey you, can we go this way? Let's walk. There we go. Let's walk. Good girl. Alright, we are home. My hair is looking crazy. I made the girl some dinner. She's eating it. Don't mind this towel. That's from the other day. I got her cooled down because it's too hot. In case you're wondering what I feed her, I have this dog food, kibble type dog food that's, you're fine, keep eating. It's by Rachel Ray and it's just 6, so it only has 6 ingredients and it's new. It's the turkey version. Turkey and pea. I think the only one they had before was beef. And then because she's a really picky eater, I also have to get this grain-free Fresh Pet Select slice and serve roll. I don't slice it, I just open the end and kind of like squish a little bit out and put it on top of her kibble type food so that she will eat it. And then she eats all of it. So she's eating. Welcome to my tiny room. I'm not really hungry, but I'm feeling kind of snacky, so I might go make some popcorn and then get to editing, because I did most of the work on my other, well, not most of the work, but I did most of the like the actual video editing. Ooh, for my other vlog. I need to take my shoes off. My feet are warm. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. That's my shoes over there. Yes, my bed is on the floor because the ceiling is too short. But I need to like do like the fancy finessing type stuff, decide what I want to do for like coloring. My socks are covered in grass. Ooh, I look both highlighted and sweaty. Gross. But yeah, so I want to like create maybe some sort of custom transition for my channel, maybe some like overlay type stuff, I don't know, like cutesy things maybe. So whew, I'm warm. I need to do that. I need to turn this air around. Yes. Air conditioner. So I'm gonna go make some popcorn and then I'm gonna get doing that, I think. Okay, so I got my popcorn, as you can see and possibly hear. I'm gonna watch The Wizard of Oz. Yes, and work on vlogs. Maybe. Hey guys, it became nighttime. I'm watching Jenna and Julian's stream. So that's what you're gonna be hearing. My hair is a mess. I washed my face and stuff already. I am currently attempting to edit my vlog stuff. My hair looks crazy. Ooh, and my face is so broken out everywhere right now. I'm trying to figure out some stuff to do for editing my vlog. I'm learning how to use Adobe Premiere Pro, which, shoot, you probably can't hear me over the air. So I'm trying to learn how to use this program, and it's very dark in here. So I'm just looking for some like cute stuff to do for transitions or in between segments, like changes of location or whatever, and some overlay type stuff, which I already created an overlay. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm trying to figure out how to have more than one like sound layer, which is, I'm gonna have to Google it because it's not letting me, for whatever reason, add like sound bites to stuff. So I'm gonna have to look that up. And I'm looking at the transitions and stuff that it comes with to see if there's anything that I like. I need to make stuff faster. So I still haven't edited my other vlog yet. Julian is loud. I need to turn that down probably. But Josh came over after work and we made dinner and ate dinner, and then he's got to open tomorrow, so he left earlier. And I hadn't ended the vlog, so I'm probably gonna edit here because I need to work on some of this stuff and go to bed myself because I have to work in the morning. So I'll see you guys later.